Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're unable to install the ASUS Smart Gesture driver. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So two different ways to resolve this problem would be to actually go locate the setup or installation file and right click on it and then run as administrator. You would select yes, and then you would proceed with the installation from there. Another thing you could attempt would be to right click on the file and then select properties. Select the compatibility tab. Checkmark where it says run this program in compatibility mode 4. Set it for Windows 7 is what I'd recommend starting with, and then select apply and OK. And then hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem if you then proceed to run the file. And that should really be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.